Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
The 8th edition of the ACEF Asian Leaders Forum and Awards was held in Mumbai recently. Founded in 2012-13, the ACEF program is organized by a team of professionals from India, Sri Lanka and UAE and is guided by the advisory members from branding, marketing and creative agencies based in India, US, Australia, Singapore, UAE and Southeast Asian regions.
I think this platform, especially when it comes from the Asia region and the kind of jury members that you have, it gives a lot of authenticity to this platform. And when you have all the peer group people, not only from your industry, from the others, there's a lot to actually learn from each other.
These kind of platforms are really, crucial, and they have their own importance to show these kind of initiatives to, to come on stage and to communicate with other brands also. And this is a platform where you can come and learn from what all the brands are doing in their category.
This edition of the ACEF Forum featured interactive discussions and offered enough opportunity for functional networking among all the attendees.
I think it's a prodigious event which happens every year, and such events should keep on happening because it's a great connect between the NGO partners and between the corporate bodies who would like to fund the program.
I see a lot of young people are coming in, different types of industries are coming in. I see there's a big leap they have taken. I think for the last 4 or 5 years I've been following them. I also being a part of their jury and so I think it's a great, they're doing really good job.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this year ACEF had received 308 entries from over 120 companies. The organization was competing for their best branding, marketing, rural and HS initiatives. And for announcing the first set of awards, I would like to request Mr. Virendra Jamdari. Thank you. And the next category, Best Environmental Behavior Change Award. To the first place for Best Environmental Behavior Change Award, it goes to the Tata Power Company Limited for Tata Power Club Energy. Moving on to our next category. Best Public Health and Safety Initiative. And the first place for Best Public Health or Safety Initiative goes to Magma FinCorp Limited. Put our hands together for Mr. Virendra Jamdari as well. Thank you so much, sir. And next up to present the awards, I would like to call on stage Dr. Vikram Parekh. Well, our next set of awards is for Engagement and Communication Awards, and the subcategory is Best Cause-Related Communication Campaign. And our winners for Best Cause-Related Communication Campaign, it goes to RW Promotions Private Limited for Sony Marathi Water ATM. Next campaign, Best Media Relations or PR Campaign. And gold goes to TAFE Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited for J Farm Services. Moving on to our next category, Best Sustainable Green Initiative. And the gold goes to Mahindra Lifespace Developers Limited by GoZoop for their campaign I Am Green Army Anthem with Kenny Sebastian. Dr. Vikram Parekh, thank you so much. And I would like to call on stage Mr. Sameer Sheikh to kindly step on stage, requesting you all to kindly put your hands together for Mr. Sameer Sheikh. And the award for Community Hero, gold for Community Hero goes to Alapini Deshmukh for E-Clinical Works. Ladies and gentlemen, can you put our hands together? on to our next category, overall excellence in social responsibility. The silver for the same goes to L&T Infotech. And the first place for overall excellence in social responsibility goes to, once again, it's TAFE Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited. And for the campaign, TAFE Corporate. And next category, Best Cause Advocacy or Awareness Campaign goes to Title 7 Brand and Digital Private Limited. Samir Sheikh, thank you so much, sir. And I would request Mr. Manjunath. Can you put your hands together for Mr. Manjunath? And the first category is Excellence in Rural Marketing. And Best Behavior Change Program of the Year. The gold for Best Behavior Change Program of the Year goes to Mindwave Media Private Limited for Dengue Mukt Bharat. And moving on to the next category, Best Integrated Program of the Year. And the gold goes to, once again it is Mindwave Media Private Limited for their campaign, Kumbh Mein Sukoon. Moving on to our next category, Best Rural Activation for Brand Awareness. And the gold goes to HNB Finance from Sri Lanka for their campaign Silent Man Challenge. And moving on to our next category, Best Rural Activation for Sales Volume. And the gold goes to, once again, Mindwave Media Private Limited. Mr. Manjunath, thank you so much, sir. Well, next up, I would like to call on stage Dr. Apurva Mishra. The next category, Best Rural Trade or Channel Engagement Property of the Year. And the gold for Best Rural Trade or Channel Engagement Property of the Year, it goes to Impact Communications for Nestle Disha. And our next category, Long-Term Rural Engagement Program of the Year. And the bronze goes to Indeed Dense to Ages Network for Digital Saki. And the silver for Long-Term Rural Engagement Program of the Year goes to Admora Solutions Private Limited for JK Cement Limited. And the gold for Long-Term Rural Engagement Program of the Year goes to Impact Communications.
There's always something to learn new from others who've won. And there's a lot of hard work that goes in for everybody. So it's a great platform for recognition.
This is certainly giving a good platform to all the advertisers to showcase whatever the work they have done it in the past. And this gives a good pleasure. Yes, and we are also very happy for this.
Next up, I would like to call on stage Mr. Rejo Francis. Moving on to the next category, Best Use of Digital Media. And the gold goes to, once again, TAFE, it is Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited for Massey Ferguson, India. Best Use of Events and Promotion. And gold for Best Use of Events and Promotions goes to Mindwave Media Private Limited for their campaign Chunav Ke Rang Hajmola Ke Sang. Mr. Rejo Francis, thank you so much, sir. As I would like to call on stage Mr. S. Swaminathan, requesting you to kindly step on stage, sir. And the next category, Best Use of Out-of-Home Media. And for Best Use of Out-of-Home Media, Vritti Solutions Limited for Big Boss Kannada. And moving on to our next category, Best Use of Television. And the gold goes to Tidal 7 Brand and Digital Private Limited. They back gold for Best Use of Television for the campaign SmartX 10X campaign. And the next category, Most Admired Activity for Community Uplifting. And the gold for Most Admired Activity for Community Uplifting goes to RW Promotions Private Limited for their campaign Government of Maharashtra Water and Sanitation campaign. And the next category, Most Admired Activity for Sustainable Development in Rural India. And I wonder why doesn't TAFE take me seriously when I told them to please have a seat right in front of the stage. Because they are the winners once again. They back gold for Most Admired Activity for Sustainable Development in Rural Area for their campaign J Farm Services. Congratulations to TAFE once again. Thank you so much, Kibra and Suyadav, for Mr. Swaminathan. Next up, I would like to call on stage Dr. Swati Padoshi. And now we start with the next set of awards, which is Excellence in Branding and Marketing. In the individual award category, the first subcategory is Asian Business Leadership Award. And silver goes to Mr. Rejo Francis from Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited. He bags silver for Asian Business Leadership Award. And along with Mr. Rejo, we have another joint winner for this category. It's Mr. Siddharth Vasudevan from Vascon Engineers Limited. And the gold for Asian Business Leadership Award goes to Mr. Haresh Nayak from Postascope India, Dense to Aegis Network. Mr. Haresh Nayak, congratulations. On behalf of Mr. Haresh Nayak, thank you so much. And the next category for individual award, Asian Marketing Leadership Award. And the silver goes to Mr. Amit Chauhan, Marketing Head, Technosoft Engineering Projects Limited. Congratulations, sir. And gold from Asian Marketing Leadership Award goes to Mr. Karan Kumar, Chief Brand and Marketing Officer, Fab India Overseas Private Limited. And the next award for Emerging Professional in Market Research and Consumer Insights Award. And the gold goes to Mr. Siddharth Trivedi, Senior Research Manager, Toluna India Private Limited. Dr. Swati, thank you so much, ma'am. I will just introduce to the next set of awards as we have Mr. Ravikant Banka. Thank you so much, sir. And the next category, Young Marketing Leader of the Year for Pharma. And the gold goes to Mr. Tushar Yerandekar for Global Brand Manager, Cipla. And the next category, Young Marketing Leader of the Year for Retail. And the gold goes to Ms. Gauri Avasti from Fab India Overseas Private Limited. Next up, Young Marketing Leader of the Year for Automobile. And the gold goes to Ms. Akansha Bansal, Marketing Manager, International Business, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. Next category, Young Marketing Leader of the Year for Insurance. And the gold goes to Mr. Saranjit Singh, Max Life Insurance. Next up, we have the category of Young Marketing Professional of the Year for Music and Films. And the gold goes to Mr. Aniket Parpilevar for DGM Marketing, Sony Music Entertainment India Private Limited. And next category, Digital Influencer of the Year, the ever colorful and creative, Mr. Shubhabrata Chakrabarti. Moving on to the next category, Best Use of Data and Research. And the gold for Best Use of Data and Research goes to Brandscope Dense to Ages Network for the campaign All New WagonR. Next category, Best Use of Data and Research in Education. Congratulations to Universal High School, Chembur. They bag gold for Best Use of Data and Research in Education. Next category, Best Use of Influencers. And the gold for Best Use of Influencers goes to Fab India Overseas Private Limited. Mr. Ravikant Banka, thank you so much, sir. As I call on stage Mr. Rahul Talwar, requesting Mr. Rahul Talwar to come step on stage. And next category, Excellence in Consumer Insights or Market Research. And the goal for Excellence in Consumer Insights and Market Research goes to ThinkXQ. They bag gold once again. Congratulations for their campaign, India TV Aapki Adalat Activation. Mr. Rahul Talwar, thank you so much, sir. Next up, I would like to call on stage Dr. Vikram Parekh to kindly step on stage. And next category, Excellence in Media Strategy. We have joint winners for Excellence in Media Strategy, and our winners are Publicis Media, Performix India, and iProspect India. Our joint winners for Excellence in Media Strategy. Next category, Excellence in Partner Marketing. And we have joint winners of gold in Excellence in Partner Marketing, and they are Magic 106.4 FM and Contagious Online Media Network Private Limited. Dr. Vikram Parekh, thank you so much, sir. Next up, I would like to call on stage Mr. Venkat Malik. And next category, Most Admired Not-for-Profit Campaign. Gold for Most Admired Not-for-Profit campaign goes to the Tata Power Company Limited for their campaign Switch Off to Switch On. Mr. Malik, thank you so much, sir. And I would like to call on stage Dr. Swati to kindly come on stage to give away the next set of awards. And the next category, Marketing Campaign of the Year, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, gold winners for Marketing Campaign of the Year. Dr. Swati, thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to call on stage Mr. Santosh Nair to kindly step on stage. Last couple of awards. Marketing Effective Agency of the Year, gold goes to ThinkXQ. It is. Congratulations. And the last category, Marketing Team of the Year, and the gold goes to Motilal Oswal Financial Services. That brings us to the end of this beautiful evening. Thank you so much. See you all next in ACEF Awards happening in Singapore on 17th of December. This was your host, Nishil Kamlin, signing off. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience.
This is the third year in a row that we have won this Rural Marketing Agency of the Year. So definitely ACEF is definitely an important platform where we showcase our capabilities.
It's always great to be rewarded and awarded. It's a kind of recognition. But more than that, I think ACEF brings all the professionals from this field under one roof, and that's really rewarding.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.